Hello everybody, my name is Robert and this is Review Clue. In today's video we have a review and unboxing of the Fairy condenser microphone by Maono. This thing sells for £60 on Amazon, let's get right into it. So on one side you get a lot of information about the microphone itself. On the back you get a picture of the microphone and just some of its features. For example, its microphone gain, muting, volume and it's of course USB-C. On the side you get the notes, its polar patterns, it's USB-C plug and play. It is compatible with Windows and iOS as well. And that's the front again with that lovely picture and just a little bit about how it's a multifunctional studio in your pocket. So what exactly do you get inside of the box? Let's go ahead and have a look. Personally, I was really impressed by just how well they packaged this thing up. Opening up its little bag of goodies is two pieces of paper. Of course, that happy and unhappy card that you seem to get with every product on Amazon these days. We can go ahead and just discard that off to the side. We also receive a quick start guide, but again, this is a microphone, it should be self-explanatory of how to use it. It's simply plug and play. Let's go ahead and put that off to the side after we've looked at some of its polar patterns. For all you audio heads out there, that's for you. This thing can also be attached to an arm and also allows for you to plug in your headphones straight to the microphone. We have a little accessories box at the bottom. Let's go ahead and have a look at what's in here. The first thing I'm going to pull out really surprised me. It was a USB-C to USB-C cable, but also an OTG. So if I pulled off that USB-C end, it was also micro USB. So I could use this with my phone or tablet if I desired. And there's also that USB-C to normal USB for PC use. Let's go ahead and get this microphone out itself. It's quite well packaged in this foam. And we'll get the phone out of the way while we have a look at the rest of it. And that's the front there with your two dials for both microphone audio and headphone audio. And it just looks so slick. On the back you can change between the two styles of mode. You've got that headphone jack and that USB-C as well. And I don't really know what else I can say about this microphone. I'm going to be reviewing the quality of the audio as I talk into it now. So this review has all been recorded on the Fairy condenser microphone. So let's discuss just what you're getting for your £60. There are two types of audio that this microphone offers. The first is this style, which is really good for really crisp and clear vocals, great for singing. But there is also the other mode, here. This one doesn't sound as clear, but will pick up a lot more audio from everywhere in the room. This is great for podcasting. I'm just going to move back to the first mode here as I talk a little bit more about the build quality of this microphone. Personally, I think this thing looks incredible. For its price, I would say that's where a lot of its money is going. Audio-wise, it's clear, but it's definitely not the best that I've ever heard. There are better on the market. If you're paying for something like the Yeti Blue, really good microphone, and so it should be for its price. And I would say this is also very good for its price, though the audio could be better. Alongside having this little audio jack on the back here, that's a really nice touch. Not many microphones do that, and it's really nice to be able to just plug straight into the microphone and hear yourself back directly. You don't have to kind of go through the computer and hear it back. On the front, you'll also be able to mute and unmute the microphone. That's a really nice touch, really nice clicky button. And overall, I'm really impressed with this microphone. It sounds pretty good for its price. It looks incredible. But, most importantly, it's fairly cheap. So if you're looking for a condenser microphone for podcasting or for singing, then this would be a really good starting point for just £60. But if you're wanting something that sounds a little more professional, maybe spend that little bit more on something like the Yeti. But I'm going to let you make up your own mind. I'm going to leave a link in the description for this microphone, and I'm going to let you make up your mind. But tell me down below, what do you think? Do you like the audio? Anyway guys, my name is Robert, this has been Review Clue, and I'll catch you in the next one. Adios.